Before we begin, I want you to pause for a second. Are you fully here with me right now? Or is part of your mind already somewhere else? Most people don't realize it. Their body is here, but their mind is not. They're no ones. They are replaying the past or worrying about the future. Notice your thoughts right now. Where did your mind just go? When your mind leaves the present moment, your body feels it immediately. Your shoulders tighten. Your breathing becomes shallow. Stress quietly builds. But here is something important. Life only happens now. Not yesterday, not tomorrow, only this moment. Breathing, listening, eating, feeling sunlight. These are not small moments. When was the last time you truly noticed one of them? These moments are your life passing by. Let me show you something simple you can do right now. Take one slow breath in and gently breathe out. Notice how your body feels after just one breath. This is how you calm your nervous system naturally. You can do this while walking, while eating, even while working. You don't need to fix everything at once. You only need to return to this moment. Right now is safe. Right now is enough. If this helped you, take a second and acknowledge yourself. And if you want more calm guidance like this, please like, comment, and subscribe.